To ask, what is this? In Tagalog, we say, ano ito? Ano ito? To say, this is a house, we say, bahay ito. Bahay ito. To say, where? In Tagalog, we say, nasaan or saan. Nasaan, saan. Both nasaan and saan translate as where in English. In Tagalog, however, nasaan and saan have different usage. Today, we'll focus on nasaan first. To say, where are you? We say, nasaan ka? Nasaan ka? Here, we use nasaan because we want to know the location of a person. If I'm looking for you, then I'll ask, nasaan ka? If I'm looking for Maria, then I'll ask, nasaan si Maria? To say at in Tagalog, we say, nasa or sa. We use nasa when we're answering questions that start with nasaan. We use sa when we're answering questions that start with saan. So again, at can translate as nasa or sa. Nasa or sa. To say, I'm at home, we say, nasa bahay ako. Nasa bahay ako. Here, at translates as nasa because this statement is asked with the question, nasaan ka? So, nasaan? To answer it, we use nasa. Nasa bahay ako. So again, to ask, where are you? We say, nasaan ka? Nasaan ka? To say, I'm at a restaurant or I'm at the restaurant, we say, nasa restaurant ako. Nasa restaurant ako. Nasa restaurant ako can translate as I'm at a restaurant or I'm at the restaurant. It can translate as I'm at the restaurant if it is assumed that the person we're talking to knows which restaurant we're talking about. If they're not sure, they can always ask, which restaurant is it? How would you ask, where is he? Nasaan siya? Nasaan siya? To say he's at a restaurant, we say, nasa restaurant siya. Nasa restaurant siya. Here's a table for you with the pronoun niya. It can translate as she or he, or as possessive adjectives, her or his. Since niya belongs to the second group of pronouns, you can use it in sentence patterns where we use ko or mo. Now, let's look at some examples. To say my food, we say pagkain ko. Therefore, to say his food, we say pagkain niya. Pagkain niya. And how would you say this is his food? Pagkain niya ito. Pagkain niya ito. To say I wanna eat at a restaurant, we say, gusto kong kumain sa restaurant. Therefore, to say, he wants to eat at a restaurant, we say, gusto niyang kumain sa restaurant. Gusto niyang kumain sa restaurant. How would you say, she wants to eat at a restaurant? Gusto niyang kumain sa restaurant. Gusto niyang kumain sa restaurant. How would you say, you wanna eat at a restaurant? Gusto mong kumain sa restaurant. Gusto mong kumain sa restaurant. Here's a summary of the different combinations using gusto and ayaw with the second group of pronouns. Gusto kong kumain. Gusto mong kumain. Gusto niyang kumain. Ayaw kong kumain. Ayaw mong kumain. Ayaw niyang kumain. Now, let's try kailangan and hindi kailangan. Kailangan kong uminom. Kailangan mong uminom. Kailangan niyang uminom. Hindi ko kailangang uminom. Hindi mo kailangang uminom. Hindi niya kailangang uminom. How would you say, she has food, but she doesn't want to eat? May pagkain siya, pero ayaw niyang kumain. May pagkain siya, pero ayaw niyang kumain. How would you say, I have food, but I don't need to eat? May pagkain ako, pero hindi ko kailangang kumain. May pagkain ako, pero hindi ko kailangang kumain. To ask the question, where is your money? We say, nasaan ang pera mo? Nasaan ang pera mo? Here, we used nasaan because we are looking for an object. Don't forget to add the subject marker ang to complete the question pattern. Remember, use nasaan when asking about the location of people and objects. To say, my money is at home, we say, nasa bahay ang pera ko. Nasa bahay ang pera ko. Again, we have to answer with nasa because to ask the location of the money, we use nasaan. Nasaan ang pera mo? How would you say, my money is at home, but I have food? Nasa bahay ang pera ko, pero may pagkain ako. Nasa bahay ang pera ko, pero may pagkain ako. Now, let's learn more verbs, starting with the first thing we do in the morning, to wake up. To say it in Tagalog, we say, gumising. Gumising. Now, let's practice gumising with kailangan. Kailangan kong gumising. Kailangan mong gumising. Kailangan niyang gumising. This time, hindi kailangan. Hindi ko kailangang gumising. Hindi mo kailangang gumising. Hindi niya kailangang gumising. How do you say, I need to wake up? Kailangan kong gumising. Kailangan kong gumising. How about, you need to wake up? Kailangan mong gumising. Kailangan mong gumising. What about, she doesn't need to wake up? Hindi niya kailangang gumising. Hindi niya kailangang gumising. To say work or work day, or school day, we say pasok, pasok. Therefore, to say I have work, we say may pasok ako, may pasok ako. Today is ngayon, ngayon, ngayon. Therefore, to say I have work today, we say may pasok ako ngayon. May pasok ako ngayon. To say I have school today, same thing. We say may pasok ako ngayon. May pasok ako ngayon. How would you say you have school today? May pasok ka ngayon. May pasok ka ngayon. How about he has school today? May pasok siya ngayon. May pasok siya ngayon. In Tagalog, because is kasi. Kasi. How would you say, I need to wake up because I have work today? Kailangan kong gumising kasi may pasok ako ngayon. Kailangan kong gumising kasi may pasok ako ngayon. How about, you need to wake up because you have school today? Kailangan mong gumising kasi may pasok ka ngayon. Kailangan mong gumising kasi may pasok ka ngayon. Now, try he needs to wake up because he has school today. Kailangan niyang gumising kasi may pasok siya ngayon. Kailangan niyang gumising kasi may pasok siya ngayon. Do you remember how to say so in Tagalog? It's kaya. So, let's try I have work, so I need to wake up. May pasok ako, kaya kailangan kong gumising. May pasok ako, kaya kailangan kong gumising. How would you say, I don't have school today? Wala akong pasok ngayon. Wala akong pasok ngayon. How would you say, he doesn't need to wake up today? Hindi niya kailangang gumising ngayon. Hindi niya kailangang gumising ngayon. Let's try, he doesn't have school, so he doesn't need to wake up today. Wala siyang pasok, kaya hindi niya kailangang gumising ngayon. Wala siyang pasok, kaya hindi niya kailangang gumising ngayon. How about, he has school, but he doesn't want to wake up. May pasok siya, pero ayaw niyang gumising. May pasok siya, pero ayaw niyang gumising. Okay, take care and goodbye. O sige, ingat at paalam. O sige, ingat at paalam.